Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook palava sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cocoyam leaves, 1 cup of palm oil, and your choice of protein, such as half a pound of beef or smoked fish. Don't forget aromatics like 1 large onion, 2 medium tomatoes, a small piece of ginger, and a few chili peppers for that perfect kick. Preparing these items properly is the first step to a delicious meal. Now let's build our flavor base. Begin by boiling your protein, like beef, until it's tender enough to shred or cut into bite-sized pieces. In a separate pot, heat about 1 cup of palm oil over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent. Next, introduce your blended mixture of tomatoes, ginger, and chili peppers. Cook this rich base for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the oil separates and the sauce thickens beautifully. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to incorporate the star ingredient, the cocoyam leaves. Carefully add your finely chopped leaves to the simmering sauce. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the leaves are well coated. You might need to add about 1/2 cup of water or stock to help the leaves cook down. Cover the pot and let it simmer gently for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the cocoyam leaves are completely tender and the flavors have melded perfectly. For the final touches, reintroduce your cooked protein, whether it's shredded beef or flaked smoked fish, back into the palava sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and any other spices you prefer, ensuring a balanced flavor. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, allowing all the flavors to fully combine. Your rich and savory palava sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with a side of steamed rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.